Okay, so hi guys. Uh, that's the first time I've come online on my Facebook. Let's see the comments. Uh, how would I see the comments? Okay, hi Umar Muhammad. How are you? Okay. Okay. So I've my one of my friend has written a few questions. So I'm gonna answer them. So yeah, you can ask your question. What was the first question?
How did you start off in the field of acting?
Okay, how did I start in the field of acting? Well, it wasn't planned move from shift to modeling to acting, but I think one thing led to another, and I was offered with the author by character Abru, and I just did it. Yeah, so that's how I started my acting career. I'm fine. Muhammad Usman Khan, look nice. Thank you. uh, Thank you, Misbah Ahmad. Okay, so what is the next question?
Movie that you made you cry.
A movie that made me cry has to be, I think, Avatar and Shirley MacLaine. I think that was a beautiful movie, and Julia Roberts, she just did a phenomenal job, and I cried a lot after watching. And yeah, one more movie which made me cry was Titanic. That was a really nice and romantic movie, and yeah. So, hi, looking awesome. Hi, gorgeous. How are you? I'm fine, Samadvira. How are you? Hatheli's last episode, very lovely. Yeah. So, people have been messaging me about Hatheli, and I've been getting a lot of feedback of Hatheli. So, I hope you guys have liked it. Well, you see, it's about every time. You just can't be happy and give the happy endings. It's about a story, true love story, and I think love is like that. It's very difficult to find a true love, and when you find a love, it's very difficult to I think get that person in your life. That's how true love is, I believe that. Shout out my name, please. Okay, Barira Ahmad. Hi. Samad Vira, I am very well. Muhammad Ali, salam. Walaikum assalam. Uh, okay, so my upcoming project is one I'm doing it for Hum TV, and the other one is I'm doing for A Plus. It's a small telefilm. It's gonna be on air on Valentine, so do watch that. Yeah. So the next question.
One thing that you would change about yourself.
One thing that I would change about myself, well, I think it has to be I take my work very seriously, and I take the script. I just don't read my character, I read the full script, to understand my character and other people's characters. And but I think that's a good thing. Yeah, that's a good thing. I don't know. I mean, maybe, yeah. The next question.
Okay. Your favorite travel destination?
My favorite travel destination has to be London, because it has a lot of depth and character, and the weather is just beautiful and amazing. Like, we live in Karachi, and it's always heating. The weather is quite warm, and when you go to London, it's always cloudy, windy. So I think it's nice for a person to go in a different weather and enjoy the environment. Hi, Ali. Ali, hi. Majid, dil se. Okay, what is this? Uh, Ali Khan, very nice. Your acting is superb. Thank you. Well, I did my first serial Abru, and people, they appreciated my work. You guys have been loving me so much. So, thank you so much for your love. Okay, so what is the next question?
Which was destination that you intend to go?
Okay, I have three places. which I really want to travel. These are like, my favorite places. Well, I've been to Paris already, but I couldn't go to Disneyland. I want to go to Disneyland, which is in Paris. So Paris, Switzerland, because I've never been to, I've never seen snow in my life. So I want to go to Switzerland, and the third place would be, I think, an island. I just love the life of islands. It's raining, and I've never been to an island. I've been hearing a lot about Maldives and about, like, beautiful islands. So yeah, three places would be Island, Paris, and Paris, Ireland, and Switzerland. I forgot. Yes. I want to act with you. Okay, Samir Khan. I hope that soon. So maybe Drama Abru is so superb. Thank you so much. Who is your favorite co-star? Well, I worked only with two people. Muhammad Usman Khan, I worked only with two people. So I think I really like Aswar. He is such a genuine and sweetheart. Like, when you're working with him, he makes you so, like, calm, and he's so friendly. So I think Aswar, yeah, he was really nice. Hello, Ishal, so cute. Hi. Which is your favorite movie in Bollywood? Muhammad Usman Khan. Okay, my favorite movie in Bollywood would be Lagan, and I just saw the movie which Imran Khan just launched. I'm forgetting the name of that movie. What was the name of that movie? Which just Imran Khan just launched. The favorite movie would be Lagan. Yeah, I think Imran Khan's PK was really good, and then there are a lot of other movies because he has always a message in his movies. So I just love his movies. Okay, so the next question would be,
What are the 5 must-have items that you always have?
in my purse, the five items which I always have in my purse has to be my lip balm, my moisturizer, my sunblock, which I always use when I go in out like daytime, and my cell phone and my wallet. I think, yeah. So I can carry my cards, ATM card, and CNIC. That's it. Next question.
How do you pick projects that you work in? Sorry.
How do I pick projects that I work in?
Yeah.
Okay, I pick projects. Firstly, the story has to be really good, because I think when you work, you just can't do anything because you need to deliver a message, like, in every story or in every drama, what you're doing to people. So for me, the storyline has to be really good because you're delivering a message. Even like I did Abru, and I was delivering a message in that, like, the obedient children, and then Hatheli, it was a message of true love. So yes, the story has to be phenomenal, and it should be giving message to people. Fahad Sheikh, baby. Oh, hi. Fahad Sheikh. Zahra Mubin, which city are you from? Okay, Zahra, I'm from Karachi. I was born here, and yeah, I live here. And I love Karachi, by the way. Okay, so what was the next question?
What's the life principle that you live by?
Life principle. Well, I think I don't really have any principles in life. Like, I'm not like really, really, really into things. Okay, I have to do this. I think things, they come with time and flow. So I think I try to sleep early. So I wake up early. That's the one principle which I've been following throughout my life. And the rest, I think, just like you guys, friendly. I go out, like, when I'm free, I try to read books, and then I mostly spend time with my family. I try to travel. Anish Vakas, hey. Okay, which is your favorite movie in Pakistan? Okay, my favorite movie, Mehboob Khan, was Manto. I watched that movie in cinema, and I was having literally goosebumps while I was watching the movie. The story was just so good. Again, I always admire those things which are, like, related to a message. So I think Manto was really, really, really good. Haris Ali, looking pretty. Okay, so what was the next question? Thank you, Haris.
If you were to be something other than artist, what will that be?
Okay, if I had to be something else, not an artist, I think I would become a doctor, or it has to be related to something media. Yeah, because I like to do creative things. I am a creative person. I like creative things. So, yeah, it has to be something creative. Maybe a writer, maybe a poetist, maybe maybe a director. Okay, so Zahra Mubin, which is your favorite drama serial on Hum TV which you had cast? My favorite drama on Hum TV has to be Hatheli, because when I was doing it, I was just so, like, excited about the script, and because I just gave my heart to that story, because it was a true love story, and literally, when I was reading the script, I couldn't leave it. I started reading the script by 9 o'clock, and I finished, till 17 episodes. It was 4 o'clock in the morning. I called the director. I was like, "This story is just wow." So Hatheli is, it's really 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 close to my heart. Yeah. Uh, okay. आपकी एजुकेशन बरून यूसुफ एम यूसुफ ओके एजुकेशन मैंने छोड़ दिया था आई वॉज डूइंग ओ लेवल्स एंड आई लेफ्ट इट इन द मिडल उसके बाद मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला कि मैं पढ़ूँ या इतना बिजी हो गई काम में कि टाइम ही नहीं मिल सका कभी पढ़ने के लिए बट डेफिनेटली अभी फिर से आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई यूनिवर्सिटी अभी मैं जा रही हूँ ग्रीनिच सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग अगेन यस Wow. Okay, so what was the next question?
One superpower if you had, what would be that?
Acha, if I could have one superpower, it has to be the wings. Okay, because why I want to have wings, because I want to fly. Like, when I'm working the whole day and then I get tired, so I just feel like flying maybe to London for one night and then coming back, like, the next morning, and getting back to work. So I think has to be wings. I wished I could just fly, and, like, I just could go to different countries and explore the world. Yeah. Okay, so what was the next question?
A book or song that you really like. A book or song that you really like.
I really like. I just read The Alchemist. It's written by Paulo, and that was the first book which I've ever read in my life. And after that, I just got addicted to the books. So I think Veronica Decides to Die and The Alchemist are just amazing. You guys should read it.
Favorite drama or movie character that would you like to star in?
Favorite drama or movie that I would like to. Well, you see, I'm not just finicky ke I have to do this or I have to do that. I want to be casted in this. I think it comes on your way. And as far as I am concerned, I just look up to the story, like, what I'm doing. The story has to be really good. Yeah, so that's it.
Best way to freshen up.
Best way to freshen up. Best way to freshen up, I think I just go out for dinner with my family, with my friends, and yeah, and I just try to meet my school friends, because I've got a lot of school friends. I still go out and I still meet them. So yeah. Sanaula, you're so much faithful and truthfully. Well, thank you so much, Sanaula. Dr. Ijaz Raja, hi. Amjad Qureshi, hi. Okay, so what was the next question?
Your favorite artist or someone whose work you really look up to?
My favorite artist and whose work I really look up to, it has to be Leonardo DiCaprio. I've watched all his movies and I think he is just awesome. And yeah, he is my favorite, all-time favorite, Leonardo DiCaprio. That's for him. He's just so good. Yes, his acting. Wahab, Anu, Um, Imran Yusuf, where are you from? Well, I've told before I'm from Karachi, Imran. I was born here and I've been living here, born and raised up here and educated here. Okay, so what is the next question?
Your favorite hangout place, any biopic that you would like to play a party in, like Benazir Bhutto or any other movie?
Okay, if I would like to play a role, I would like to play a role of Lady Diana. I think she has a beautiful soul and a character, and she died for the sake of love, yet a beautiful soul and a human being. So it has to be a character of Lady Diana. Yes.
What's your current music playlist, drama or else?
Well, I've been just listening to Hatheli. I've been just listening to FM because when I'm like going somewhere, so I try to listen FM like what is coming currently and what is like popular in our society. So yeah, and sometimes I do listen to like fast tracks, but then it really depends on my mood. Yeah. So the next question.
What do you generally paint, abstract, concept,
What's your
landscape,
upcoming drama, Umar Mahmood? Well, my upcoming dramas are, I've just said before, one is for Hum TV and the other one is coming. It is coming for A+. It's a short telefilm, so it will be coming on Valentine's, so do watch that, guys.
It's only the last question.
Okay, so what is the next question?
Your favorite project from the last year? Something about upcoming projects?
My favorite project, I think I've already mentioned, my favorite project has to be Hatheli because the story was just so good and was just so close to my heart. And yes, it has to be really, really, really. Yeah, Hatheli. Hatheli is like my most favorite drama which I've done so far. Rest, let's see what's coming up next. Okay, so Khan, how are you? I'm fine, Khan. How are you? Ghani Khan, wow, I like your eyes. Okay, Ghani Khan, thank you. I think I've got only black eyes. It's not I haven't got the colored eyes. Okay, so Abdul Rahim, hi Abdul Rahim, how are you? Okay, so good looks, you good acting. कैसी चीज ज्यादा okay, wow, good. Okay, so yeah, so now I'm gonna come online again and again because that's the first time I've come live, and I think I'm gonna come live more oftenly now. So I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.